Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Femida Channa, lecturer zoology. Dear students, today I am going to deliver a lecture about lipids from a first year class. Lipids. The word lipids, which stem etymologically from the Greek lipos, it means fat, was introduced in 1923 by Brett Reed. Brett Reed include in the concept not only the traditional fats, glycerides, but also the lipoids with a complex constitution. In 1947, T.P. Haldane divided lipids into simple lipids with a grease, wax, true wax, sterols, alcohols, and complex lipids with phospholipids and glycolipids. Now, lipids description. Lipids are heterogeneous group of compound. Why it is a heterogeneous group of compound? Because it consists of two monomers and these both are different, fatty acids and glycerol. They combine together to form a lipids. In 1943, Bloor proposed the term of lipids for those occurring compounds naturally which are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Source of lipids. Oils get from plants like sunflower, almond, soybean, etc. Fat get from animals like estrin fat, that is get from a beef. General properties of lipids. Lipids are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as ether, alcohol, chloroform, benzene. Lipids are hydrophobic compound. What you mean by hydrophobic compound? Those compounds which hate water, that is known as hydrophobic compound. Hydro means water, phobic means hate or repel. These compounds are component of cellular membrane, therefore lipids are the building block of cell also. Lipid basic unit is fatty acids and glycerol. This flow chart showing the lipids classification. Now, let us start the classification of lipids from acyl glycerol. These are simple lipids. Acyl glycerol consists of glycerol molecule linked to three fatty acids. This condensed molecule is known as triglycerol or often said triglycerides. These are found both animal and plants, provide energy for different metabolic activities and are very rich in chemical energy. Chemical definition of acyl glycerol are, these are ester of fatty acids and alcohol. It means in fatty acids and alcohol the bond is present, that is known as ester bond. Therefore, these are the ester of fatty acids and alcohol chemically definition of acyl glycerol. There are two types of acyl glycerol on the basis of which type of fatty acids present, saturated or unsaturated fatty acids. Now, let us understand the saturated acyl glycerol, that is the first type of acyl glycerol. The saturated fatty acids known acyl glycerol known as fats commonly. They contain saturated fatty acids. What is saturated fatty acids? Those fatty acids in which single bond is present between carbon atom, that is known as saturated fatty acids. Or those fatty acids, they do not contain any double bond between carbon atom, that is also known as saturated fatty acids. Saturated acyl glycerol are solid at room temperature like a fats, butter. They are mostly found in animals. Their example is estrin. Unsaturated acyl glycerol, they are known as oftenly oils also. They contain unsaturated fatty acids. What is unsaturated fatty acids? Those fatty acids which contain one or more than one double bond between them, they are known as unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated acyl glycerol are liquid at room temperature, therefore they are known as oils. They are found mostly from plants. Their best known example is lanolin. Now, let us move to start waxes. Chemically defined waxes, that is the ester of fatty acids with monohydric alcohol. Wax are wide spread as a protecting coat of fruits and leaves. Wax also secrete from some insects. Function of waxes. Waxes are mostly water barrier for insects, birds and animals. Wax protect plants from water loss and abrasive damage. Wax used to make candles. Wax used to make lubricate oil. Wax used to make eye ornaments. Wax used to make waterproof cosmetics like makeup. Now start phospholipids. That is a third type of simple lipids that is composed of phosphate group, fatty acids and alcohol. Phospholipids are derivatives of phosphatic acid. Function of phospholipids is a good emulsifying. They are found in the cell membrane, nuclear membrane and membrane of the organelles as a basic component that is made up of phospholipids. Now complex lipids, their types that is known as terpenoids. Terpenoids are important class of lipids that is a buildup of isopenoid units. What is isopenoid units? These are units which contain 5 carbon and 8 hydrogen, C5H8. That is a molecular formula of isopenoid units. Steroids, carotenoids, terpenes are the important class of terpenoids. They help in oxidation reduction process as a terpene. They also found in cell membrane as a cholesterol. Plant pigments like carotene, xanthophyll are also form of terpenoids. Now let's start terpenes. The group of lipids based on isopenoid units. They are small in size and volatile in nature. What do you mean by volatile in nature? Those molecules which are evaporate, that is known as volatile. They produce special fragrance. Some of them used are in perfumes. Their examples are peppermint oil, that is get from menthol peppermint oil, lemon from lemon oil, etc. Now second class that is known as steroids, a class of lipids made up of 3-6 member of carbon ring ABC and 1-5 member of carbon ring structure. Total number of carbon about 17, that is known as estrol nucleus, and that estrol nucleus containing lipids is known as steroids. Most important steroid is cholesterol, bile acid and sex hormones like male sex hormone testosterone, female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone. These are steroid in nature. Carotenoids, these are complex terpenoids with fatty acids and a like unsaturated carbon chain and carrying 6 member carbon rings at both ends of chain. These are pigment compound, produce color in plants. Now function of lipids, they yield more energy on oxidation as compared to the carbohydrates. Lipids serve as a store food and can be utilized when they are need of energy. Naturally present in steroid form, cuticle of insects and plant contain lipids which serves to protect them by water loss. Dear students, I hope you understand today's lecture about lipids, that is a biological molecule from a biology subject, chapter 2, first year. Please share your feedbacks or comments. Thanks to all watching this video. Allah Hafiz.